Welcome to Rush Lake, Minnesota for the 2020 Northern Lakes Classic. This is the National Rifle League's 7th match of the 2020 season, hosted by Aaron Menze. This is a new match for the NRL that includes beautiful scenery and a top-notch range. Many competitors have come far and wide to take part in this national event. With a strong group of competitors and a fantastic location, anything is possible. You're watching the 2020 Northern Lakes Classic.
All right, stage 10. I can't see the target. Yep, no tripods on this stage.
As the range goes hot, our squad begins at stage 10.
It's a white round. It's a double hanger up close. You can only see the backup target right now, the white one. The one you're shooting, that's gray. Don't shoot at the white one. That way we can find them. Second, the middle target is 368. It's a white round one. It's on the right side of the fairway there. And then the far target is at 583, is the ADC IPSC. The ADC IPSC is underneath the yellow aim point. Do not hit the yellow aim point. You have to drop it in on the target.
Short of it. Then you aim at that yellow dot, so you have something to aim at.
All right.
That's the strat.
Okay. Yeah, I was gonna use
Who's first shooter in the next squad?
The wheels are turning in Kenny's head right now.
You are. In space.
First
aim
That's
shooter,
me, yep.
you're the only one that gets to go up there and look. Everyone else is gonna have to copy you or
Copy
whatever.
me, okay. Sounds good.
Engage. Good shooting.
Thank you. I just pulled the first one on the far target just a little bit left.
Hi, I'm Lonny Lesmeister from Martin, South Dakota, here at the Northern Lakes
classic NRL match here in Minnesota. Just got done to stage 10. One that kind of made you think. You had to shoot the middle target first, then the close target, and then the far target that you couldn't see. So you had to do some math to figure out what your hold was, and luckily for me it was right, so I ended up cleaning the stage. It was just good, big confidence builder, so I'm ready to go for the rest of the day.
Hey guys, Robert Pugh here from South Dakota. We're up here at Rush Lake Range in Minnesota. We just shot stage 10. It was a round target at 221, a round target at 368, and a full-size IPSC at 583. Had to shoot three shots on the middle target, 3 shots on the near target, 3 shots on the far target. The far target you could not see. We knew it was 21.5 inches above a yellow clay pigeon that we had to aim at. 21.5 inches equaled 1.5 mils to the center of the IPSC. So you figured out your 583 dope, took 1.5 mils off of it, and let it rip.
I'm thinking I've got 8 and 10 mile per hour winds. Got 2/10 difference on a 600 yard and a 500 yard target, and it just converges to just a 10. Okay, so I got 6 and 10 as my brackets. And there's a lot of red ones out here. Too many. What's your far 8 mile an hour? 6. What do you have listed there? 6/10. And this is an 8. This is a 10. Oh, you got 2/10 difference. I thought you were different. What do you have?
I only gained like 5 positions.
It's like direct at 8 o'clock. Oh, okay, yeah.
At least
You have it lead a bit more?
Yeah, I've got it like that.
I think we might see that. Just to watch, if you see above the bus there, watch for comes in pretty directly. No, well, you can see if it cuts the corner or not, because those trees will stand down that way instead of just showing the house.
We gotta get some on the price table. Okay, let me reset my clock. Shooter.
Impact! Time!
Oh.
Engage.
We're not saying you can't. 15 seconds.
You look like you were low on all of them. Impact. Impact. Impact! Impact!
Same thing as Mike. You got me on that one. Did I get more hits? Yeah. Ayo! I'll take that. Hey, I'm Tim Straus.
And I'm Mike Straus.
And we're out here at the Northern Lakes Classic at Rush Lake, Minnesota.
Yeah, so we're from West Fargo, and we just shot stage 1. It's 5 targets from 5 barrels, and you have to have the first target and second target from the first barrel, and the second and third target from the second, and you keep on with that sequence. So it was a little bit of a mental game on that one. Yeah, it's been a fun day so far. This particular stage was a bit of a challenge. I found myself, you know, about to get up off the rifle when it was really just time to dial some windage. But I am happy to say that I did beat Mike by 1 point.
That's 1 point.
Yeah, I got 6, he got 5 on it, and you know, it's funny because I don't think the wins were the same for either of us.
No, it really wasn't. And I think a good approach to this stage was to have some mental walkthrough beforehand, just to try to get that sequence down. And yeah, that visualization is key, and probably something we can both practice.
Absolutely.
Take it off. No bipod at all.
Heading into day 2, the squad continues at stage 13.
You're not gonna get bounced all the time.
You won't have to try to slide it into the right spot. I think it'll be quicker to move.
It'll twist.
The big bag on the tire than it's going to be to try to find the perfect spot for speed. It's not like when you do shot team. Yeah, once you get on the target, it's the same target.
Impact.
South Dakota, here shooting day 2 of the Rush Lake NRL match. Our first stage here of the day, and it's a big tire. You had to shoot a 700 to 900 yard IPSC. 3 positions on the tire. My plan to going into it was I was going to put my big bag in the front, tripod with the tack table on the back, and be able to get front and back support. And we just didn't get the heights right, so got set up, took way too long, couldn't get my back support quite right. So after the first position, trying to hold everything up together, just didn't really work out. So I ditched that, went to the wee bad fortune cookie, and shot the next 2 positions way better, just because I burned a little bit of time messing it up, trying to position built, but ended up just ditching it and going with single bag, keeping it simple, and just taking a little extra time to get steady instead of make a big gear fort together to try to get support. So it ended up working out all right. Only dropped 1 point and had plenty of time left.
Has anyone cleaned it yet over there?
Impact. 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 Impact.
Hi, Ken Nordstrom from South Dakota. I am here at the Minnesota NRL Classic. The stage I just ran, I ran a bipod and rear bag. The reason I did that on the tire was because I have ruptured discs in my back and I can't get super low, which is shooting off the bag. So it puts me up a little higher. The stage went good. I was basically holding 2/10 left, had a left wind about 11 o'clock. Great match. Love NRL. They're great people.
Engage.
Chris Opfer from here on South Dakota. Just got done shooting the stage with 3 positions on a truck. 3 shots at 3 different targets off the first position on the hood. And you repeat that process off of both back head rails for a total of 9. And I dropped my last shot. I think I just kind of rushed it because I was running out of time.
Barnes from South Dakota, here in Minnesota for the Northern Lakes Classic. Just got done running the rock stage, 10 positions, 10 shots, 60 seconds. Did pretty good on it, moved fast, cleaned it. We got 3 stages to go, and hoping to finish out strong.
Jake Vibert here from Washington State. One thing I like about this stage is it makes you think. All the stages are completely different.
Hi, Virginia Milkovich. I'm from Arizona. That was pretty challenging. I didn't think I was going to be able to finish that well. So far, it's been a fun match.
Carson Rutherford from Elk City, Oklahoma. I'm at the Heat Stroke Open. It was pretty difficult. High winds, fast mover.
This is Mr. Ace Fugit, our top young gun. Ace, congratulations.
Thank you.
So I had the opportunity to watch you shoot this weekend as well, and it looked like you were having a great time.
Oh, it's so much fun shooting. I love it.
What was your favorite stage?
It's gonna have to be yesterday's Jiggly Bed.
Okay. I didn't get to see that stage, so describe for our viewers what the Jiggly Bed was.
It's a platform, but it'd be less stable than shooting from prone because the platform kind of moved, and we were shooting at rabbits, so that was fun.
Awesome. Now, how long have you been shooting for, sir?
I started shooting this spring.
This spring? Very impressive. Very impressive. What's next?
I don't know, just kind of going by what happens whenever it happens.
There you go. Words to live by. Go with the flow, baby. It's a pleasure to meet you. Thank you so very much.
Nice meeting you too.
And we look forward to seeing you soon. All right, guys and gals, we are here with Jenna Cipher, our top lady of the weekend. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely. So I was just told this is your first two-day match.
It was.
How was it?
It was really fun. It was challenging, a little bit of a step up from what I normally shoot, so it was exciting.
Okay, so what do you normally shoot then?
So I usually do like the border war matches. I've been doing those. I started last summer. So
Awesome.
I've done a handful of them, and this is my first big two-day. So.
What do you think the difference?
It's just, I don't know, kind of having to keep your head in the game for 2 whole days is a little bit trickier. Just kind of, you know, it's not much longer. You have to keep yourself put together, but it was a good challenge, and the stages were a little bit trickier than I'm used to, which was kind of nice. So.
Well, I had the opportunity to watch you shoot this weekend for a little while, and you look like a pro. I was like, who is this girl? She's doing great. She's having a good time. You had some family out here supporting you, right? Your dad,
Yep,
mom,
my dad kind of coaches me, and a lot of times he shoots as well, and then my mom and my brother were out watching, so.
Very cool. Yep. So does the whole family shoot, or is it just you?
We all shoot to an extent. Dad and I do more matches than everyone else, but.
Awesome, awesome. So what would you say to all the ladies out there that are thinking about getting into the sport?
Do it. It's so much fun. It's very empowering. It's so cool. Absolutely do it. We need more women in the sport.
I
honestly.
agree. I agree. Well, congratulations. Are there any more NRL matches in your future? Are you going to stick with Border Wars?
Hopefully in the future, maybe next summer, venture out a little bit more to some other states. So
Awesome.
We'll see.
There you go, folks. Just do it.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, guys. We are here at the 2020 Northern Lakes Classic, and we are here with our match winner, Mr. Jake Vibert. Jake, congratulations.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Absolutely. So, first time to Minnesota.
Yep.
First time shooting at this match.
Right.
What are your thoughts?
You know, I like the match a lot. I like the course fire. They really mixed it up. We got a little bit of prone shooting, a little bit of barricade shooting, a little bit of improvised barricade shooting. It was just a really good and fun mixed up course fire.
I think it was a terrific course of fire, especially with the facility that they had to use. I think the max target range was, what, 900 yards?
900, yep.
And they got pretty creative with what they had as far as to use for everything.
That's exactly right. So it's not a giant facility, not a real long facility either, but they were very efficient in everything they did. And so we had kind of two different ranges, typically 5 and 5, and it seemed like everything ran really smooth.
It did. I have to agree with that. Now, being your first time in Minnesota, I mean, it's hot, humid. It rained yesterday. It looked like when we woke up this morning there's some dew on the ground. How does that affect the match?
You know, it affects everyone equally. I'm from a super dry climate, and so it felt like I was in a steam room.
Right.
And it was really hot, and I was sweating all day. And you know, you just gotta keep as dry as possible. Drink lots of liquids, a little bit of electrolytes, and try to stay on your A game.
There you go. So what match is next for you, sir?
I got a little bit of a break in August. After that, we're gonna do a Montana match. I got to just try to make a few more and see what happens. We have the championship's going to be in early 2021, so I got a little bit of time to kind of plan it out and see what I want to do.
There you go. So there was a recent Instagram post. Our good buddy, Mr. Nico Detour, he's got that top spot right now, and there was a little bit of love-hate going on right there. What's that?
You know, Nico knows what's up.
We'll just leave it at that. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Always a good time watching you shoot, and look forward to seeing you soon.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, brother. This concludes the 2020 Northern Lakes Classic. Congratulations to Jake Vibert for taking first place in the match. The NRL would also like to congratulate Chris Opfer and Isaiah Curtis for taking second and third in the match, as well as many other great competitors close behind them. Thank you to the match directors, ROs, sponsors, competitors, and everyone else who helped make this match possible. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date on all NRL news and content. As always, stay safe, keep shooting, and we'll see you all next time.